name is Vicente. I don't know if I've ever said anything about my nationality in any of my videos. I can't remember saying anything like that. Can you guess? Zimbabwe, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya. No, I'm a Nigerian. And today is our 60th independence. Woo! Nigeria had her independence on October 1st, 1960.
Top-ranking Nigerians, wearing their finest robes, watched in dignified silence as the climax of Independence Day was reached. In handing over the documents to the Federal Prime Minister, Alhaji Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, Her Royal Highness handed over sovereignty to a new nation, the Union flag flying for the last time. Princess Alexandra was present, of course, for the final ceremony that took place on the stroke of midnight. This was the dramatic takeover by the new nation's own green and white flag.
Yeah, and that makes us 60 years today. Nigerians are one of the most resilient people I have ever seen. We strive to do our best, good or bad. Nigerians have seen a lot. Slavery, war.
Please pray for us. Support us. We are ready to fight. As you can see, in fact, we are fighting. I'm ready to die for this country. Please pray for us.
1, 2, 3.
Constant terrorism, corruption.
Corruption in the oil sector. Billions of dollars in oil money have gone missing over the years.
Daily emotional battle. We have seen poverty.
But the economy has been struggling and poverty levels are on the rise.
The ritualistic killing, suffering, and a lot much more. But we have, however, not allowed these barriers.
I shot him myself a couple of times and I killed him. I buried him.
A typical Nigerian is trained by its nature and unsupportive government to survive despite all odds. We go the extra mile to accomplish things individually. Nigerians keep pushing forward instead of giving up, because sometimes there's just no option than to keep moving ahead, and we often come out stronger and better. Nigeria is not a place for the weak, neither for the slow thinker. You have to constantly fight for what you want.
Heads will roll! Heads will roll!
That's what Nigerians do. An average Nigerian is working and striving so hard, yet they still find time to believe and smile and hope for something better each day. We are amazing, trust me. Now, this being said, doesn't solve for our shortcomings. A whole lot bothers me about Nigeria.
Yes, straight up stealing.
Being away from Nigeria made me appreciate Nigeria the more. I'm proud of being her citizen. Beautiful and culturally the richest country in Africa. Yeah, right, we're rich, baby. Nigeria is nicknamed Giant of Africa because of the size of its land and the diversity of its people. Nigeria is home to the richest man in Africa, Aliko Dangote. In the US, Nigerians are educated immigrants, not one of the educated, and the most educated immigrants. About 60% of Nigerians in the US have a college degree, and that is above the American nation average of 30%. Yeah, right, we beat that. Nigeria is home to hundreds of ethnicity, and experts estimate that over 500 different languages are spoken in Nigeria. I know it feels like I'm bragging about Nigeria, but trust me, I'm not bragging. You can Google it and see for yourself. Do you like movies? Oh yeah, we all like movies. Nigerian movie industry, Nollywood, is one of the largest movie industry in the world. Yeah, baby. I can go on and on non-stop about Nigeria. I know it feels like I'm bragging, but trust me, we are amazing. On Independence Day, here is a wishing that all our dreams of a better tomorrow comes true. We celebrate the bravery of our fathers. and the gift of freedom. May there be peace and prosperity, and may we rejoice in the blessings that our country has given us. Let's not take our independence for granted, and let's do our part in making Nigeria a better place. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria! I love you all, trust me, and I'm so proud that I am a Nigerian. I can boldly say to anybody, I'm a Nigerian. See you next time.